is a city of dreams, a city that never sleeps, and this is something that makes Mumbai stand apart. Check out Sahil taking on his love for Mumbai. Find out what Sahil specially has to say about this city.
जब मैं पहली बार मुंबई आया था, that was really long back. That was in '98. My mother and my sister had come in to visit, and उसके बाद as an adult, when I came in 2006 March, that was with my mother. That was to check out Whistling Woods, the acting school and the filmmaking school that I wanted to, get enrolled in. And my bua used to stay next to Mantralaya, which is like right next to Marine Drive. It's the epitome of Bombay. It's the creme of Bombay. That's actually Bombay. This is Mumbai, and so the impression that I got of Bombay was very different. Wide roads and not much traffic there, and culture was very different. All that people would listen to would be Beatles and Metallica and Coldplay, and very different culture, and people would only talk about English films, and very different atmosphere. And you would see a lot of Parsis. There's a club culture. You have Willingdon, you have CCI, the Cricket Club of India, where Sachin actually got enrolled. He was the youngest member of CCI. He was given membership at the age of 13. So बहुत अलग मुझे impression आया था मुंबई का. But then when I joined Whistling Woods, which was in the suburbs, which is Film City, वो बहुत ही अलग था, क्योंकि उसका बॉम्बे से दूर दूर तक कोई नाता नहीं. This is much more closer to how I am in real life too. It's all about Hindi films and English films also, but it was more. It was just very different. There's a lot more Bollywood culture here, and the first culture shock that I got was when I entered a gym in Oshiwara, Andheri West, and uske pehle I was training in a gym in South Bombay, and the kind of conversations that would happen in South Bombay and the kind of conversations that would happen in this part of Bombay were very different. I don't want to get into what's cooler and what's not cooler, or what's right or what's wrong. It was just very, very different. First and foremost, what I really like about Bombay are the people of Bombay. They are very professionally driven. जो भी Bombay आता है, and most of Bombay is the only city in India which is truly a metropolitan. There is no other city in Delhi, in India, which is a metropolitan. Delhi isn't. Bangalore isn't. I don't know about Chennai so much, but Bombay truly is, because it has immigrants from everywhere. You have Gujaratis here, you have people from the south here, you have people like me from the north. And north, I don't just mean Delhi, I mean people from Punjab, from Haryana. You have a lot of Marwadis here, you have a lot of people, Marwadi Bengalis, from Calcutta. So it's truly, it's a true metropolitan, and everybody's professionally driven here. So everybody has a purpose. Nobody's just, nobody's doing Velapanthi here. You get up at, literally, I've driven at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I've had traffic. I remember I was coming back from town one day, and at 4 a.m. in the morning there was traffic. This is the only city in India that does not sleep. In Delhi, sunsaniyat chha jati hai by 8 p.m. If you get up in the morning at 8, if your office is about an hour away in normal time, you'll get there in 20 minutes because there's no traffic. But in Bombay, अगर आप 7 बजे भी कहीं निकल रहे हो तो आप plan करो, because people don't sleep here. People are out there to earn money, and it's a financially driven city.
So have you ever traveled in local trains, buses?
Yeah. When I was in my film school, I would often go to town, and I had a social life there, and I would only travel by train, because it's 40 kilometers away from Goregaon West to your town is about 40 kilometers. So I would go by local trains. I've done my share of getting pushed out, getting pushed in, standing in the line, sweaty, smelly atmosphere, and I've done all that. Yes, Mumbai is a city where if you work hard, you will get what you might not get what you want, but you will definitely get what you deserve. Mumbai will give you the gifts to, if you work hard, you will get what you want, what you deserve.
Yes, we indeed believe that there is no other city like Mumbai, Sahil. Upasana Patel, cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Sahil Mehta, and you're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe their YouTube channel, India Forums.